Full-time whistle blows here at Signal Iduna Park, and what a night it's been in Dortmund. Barcelona, holding a 4-0 advantage from the first leg, have held firm and they are through to the Champions League semi-finals. From the first minute, the atmosphere inside this iconic stadium was electric. The yellow wall was at full voice, urging Dortmund to push forward and chase the miracle. And credit to them, they came out fighting. Dortmund's intensity in the opening stages was something else. You could see the belief in the way they pressed, the way they moved the ball. Emre Can was commanding in midfield, while Brandt and Adeyemi looked to stretch Barcelona's backline at every opportunity. But Barcelona, calm and composed, never panicked. Despite resting some key names at the weekend, tonight's side looked well drilled, focused, and ready. Szczesny, stepping in for the injured Ter Stegen, was solid at the back, while Inigo Martinez and Pau Kubarsi handled the pressure with maturity beyond their years. Pedri and Frenkie de Jong ran the midfield like seasoned generals. The pair controlled the tempo, kept possession under pressure, and helped break Dortmund's momentum whenever it started to build. Fermin Lopez added that spark in transition, always looking to release Rafinha or Lamine Yamal out wide. And speaking of Yamal, the young star continues to impress. Every touch, every sprint, you can see he's playing with confidence. He may only be 17, but he played like a veteran in this hostile environment. His link up with Rafinha caused Dortmund real problems on the flanks. Ferran Torres got the nod to lead the line tonight, with Lewandowski rested after his brace in the first leg. And while Ferran didn't get many chances, his movement and pressing were key in helping Barcelona defend from the front. On the Dortmund side, without Sabitzer and Schlotterbeck, it was always going to be tough. But players like Waldemar Anton and Kahn gave absolutely everything. Kobel made some important saves to keep things from getting out of hand early. The fight was there, but in the end, the mountain was simply too high. That 4-0 deficit from the first leg proved too much to overcome, even in front of their own fans. Barcelona march into the semifinals still unbeaten in 2025, still chasing a historic treble and looking more dangerous with each passing match. Flick's men are locked in. Dortmund can leave with their heads high. They gave their all tonight, but Barcelona's control, quality and depth were just too much. Live from Signal Iduna Park. This has been your UCL night reaction. What a ride. More to come in the semis. Stay tuned.